Omu butumwa bwe bwa Pasika ankuyanja y'abantu abija hakushaba Bishop Kisembo yayihanangiriza abaramuzi okukora kyona ekirikubasika okuguma nibahozesa emishango erikubija omu maisho omu bwangu okwenda ngu abantu bakarahuka kutunga oburinganiza.
Also expect justice for these cases. I want to I told you something for last year. Somebody had been in remand for more than 4 years or 5 years, even 10 years in remand. So justice delayed is justice denied. We are again in the spirit of Easter. Because Jesus was before Pilate, had the power to forgive him or to see justice, but he condemned him. Yet he confessed, I haven't seen any evil in this person.
Oguhona yagaruka yahamya okushaba ko hari mukuru w'ihanga okukozesa Pasika ejo kurekura abo bona bakwasirwe bakatekwa mu bahome ahabwa enshonga z'ebyobutegetsi.
I wanted to use the spirit of Easter, Christ Easter, to appeal to the president, because the good thing with our constitution gives our president powers to forgive sins, forgive and release prisoners. It is called prerogative of mercy. Article 121 of the Constitution of Uganda. There are many prisoners. All our prisoners are congested. Mainly some of it because of these political prisoners.
Omu district ya Kyegegwa abiciriza Kristo bahigwa okwegaruza busya bakerinda ebibi ngo ahabwa kuba Yesu akafera basisa ahabwa ekibi konka bwa nyuma yazoka okugira ngo abantu bakagira amagara masya. Ebina n'ebindi byagambwa Reverend Father Adolf Tibeyarirwa bwana mukuru wa Kakabara Parish obu yabaye bembire ekitambo kya misa kereziya ya Kakabara omu district ya Kyegegwa. Father Adolfo yayonjera yahiga abantu bona okubecho kureberaho.
Pasika nemanyisa omukristo asemeriye kwegara bushaka spiritual renewal kurora ubumezi wawe n'ubuteka ali Kristo kandi nokora Kristo byari kusaba na muno muno nobanengonzi noleka itima noleka ihali kandi oyekamba muno kukora ebikorwa ebirungi
bokwe kwasa mukama okasiba ekyosibire gali mazima nokikabo
mukama ni musima habwe kisibo kinamalize ombusinge kandi omusinguzi kandi akimbaliza kurungi mukama ni musima tukitanye hokapira
amakuru agagasha kwa Jonathan Tsingwide na Philip Murangira.